we are doing the 6 minutes 100 days drawing challenge.
What is episode number? 90? Yes, I think it's episode number. Sorry, 70.
Yeah, 70.
Yeah, we are on episode number 70 of the 6 minutes 100 days challenge.
And only 30 more days and it's day
100.
100.
Yay! And what do they need to do? Do they need to be there till the end of the video?
You have to subscribe, like the channel. Otherwise, I think there will be a spider under your bed.
No. What you need to do is you need to stay with us till the end of the video. Hit on the like button, the subscribe button, and add a comment below to win some exciting surprises from Parikshit and Kids Online Club and goodies. Yeah. Okay, so we are waiting for your comments, your likes, and your subscribes. So let us get started with the drawing of Rainbow Friends. Sorry, how to draw.
We are drawing blue from Rainbow.
Okay, so we are drawing blue from Rainbow Friends. A very easy step-by-step drawing of Rainbow Friends from, blue from Rainbow Friends using a Sharpie, a white color paper, and some colors. Let's get started. How do we do? So
Let's start with the eyes.
Start with the eyes. As always, we start with the eyes.
This one I'm going to be like a normal stick man.
Big round eyes.
Not very big.
Big round eyes.
He even has a crown.
Okay.
I play Rainbow Friends on mobile in Roblox. I play Rainbow Friends. This guy's gonna be very happy.
Yeah. And what is coming out from his mouth?
Water.
Saliva.
Saliva?
Yeah.
Why?
Means he's looking at something and wanting to eat that thing. I don't know what it is, but yeah.
And look, some candy over here.
So we're done till here. Should we move on to the next step?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So now is to make it round.
I really want a compass. Compass. You know why?
Why?
To draw a perfect circle.
Okay. That's the crown.
It's gonna be a little 3D.
Make a normal crown first. Here we have the crown.
Okay. And from here.
Next is
Looks like he is the king.
the hands.
Very easy, no fingers.
Yeah, the easiest hands drawing.
Yeah. And I like it when there are no fingers. It's just so difficult to draw with fingers.
And when the legs are easy.
Yeah. Everything is easy in this drawing. And it's a very
Done.
And it's very quick drawing also.
Yes, it was very quick. I didn't expect it to be so quick.
I thought it would at least be of 10 minutes.
Okay, now that we're done with the drawing, let's quickly
Very simple coloring also.
get it colored.
I'm taking royal blue
Okay,
and some light blue.
so let's start with some
Yellow.
patterns. Okay. 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 It's done.
Now I want to use royal blue.
Now we use this. What do we want?
Royal blue.
You want to use your royal blue?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it purple? His name is blue.
His name is Blue. So we do it blue.
Yeah. And it's a very easy coloring as well. Almost everything is blue.
Yes.
So I can color however I want.
Yes.
This is a little big drawing also, but it's very nice. This is the easiest drawing I have ever made.
No, the easiest drawings were the drawings of the square and the cubes and the triangles.
But this is easy for a human.
Yeah, in terms of a human drawing, this is a very easy one. Means human shaped drawing. It is not. Rainbow is not a human, obviously.
But human shaped drawing, this is very easy.
Yeah.
I don't know why did we do it in episode number 70.
We should have done it a lot earlier.
Yeah.
Because you did not tell us.
I.
I had to find this out.
Yeah, rainbow friends.
It's you who plays all these games. So you need to remember of the characters of the game.
We should have done this in episode number 10.
I don't know.
Yeah. I'll draw some candy in his hand. Should I?
You can do whatever you want to.
I'm drawing some candy in his hand. And draw candy. What are you doing?
Drawing some shadows to make it look better.
Oh, nice.
Okay. Next is coloring the tongue. Once we're done with the tongue, we'll color the mouth with black color. And then the crown. The crown would be with yellow and brown. Let's color it all with yellow first. And then what we do is we take the brown color on top of it.
I'm making the candy's favorite color.
What's that?
Don't know.
We are done.
Look. Make the candy blue.
That was the very easy drawing of blue from Rainbow. I hope you enjoyed this drawing. Okay, hold on. Let Parikshit finish his drawing, and by the time Parikshit finishes his drawing, do not forget to share your drawings. If you were following us, if you did that, if you also did draw Rainbow with us, do share it with us on Instagram and tag us at @KidsFunLearnClub and hashtag KidsFunLearnClub. You might get featured on our Instagram channel or on our YouTube videos in the next video if you are the lucky one.
And just one more little thing, and we are finished. This drawing shouldn't take a lot of time. writing one thing. Just in short form.
Blue from rainbow clouds. No, rainbow colors. Okay.
Blue from rainbow fields.
So I hope you had fun with this drawing. If yes, do not forget to write in the comments below how did you like it, what do you want us to do next,
Let's
and
doing something.
anything that you want to tell us about the drawings, about the videos. And if you have not yet liked and subscribed to the channel, go and do it now. See you. Have a good day.
Wait.
Okay, Parikshit is still writing something. Let's see what he's writing, what he's up to. The spelling of color is wrong.
My mom again did it.
Bye bye.